Hey everybody, so I'm back with another how to draw video, and this one's going to be on inking. Today I am using these pigment pens, so I'll be telling you what kind it is, what tip anyways, and possibly what shade. Okay, so I am going to start off with the eyes, and I am going to use a black brush tip. So I got my black brush tip. And these are not Copic pens, they're just like shading pens. Okay, so first you want to outline the pupil. Sorry about my shadow there. So we're going to outline the pupil, and I'm going to start with this eye first. And then you can just color that in. Make sure you're leaving no white spots, because we'll come back to that and make a white spot. Okay, and the same thing on the side. It's just going to be looking kind of towards us, so the pupil's off to the side a little bit. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the eyelashes, and I'm still going to use the same tip and color. I'm going to try and do everything with this first. It's kind of a pain to put the lid back on while I'm doing a video. And we're going to make one side a little bit thicker than the other. So it's not going to be entirely symmetrical, because that's usually where the actual lash begins to grow out. And the same with this eye. And then we'll actually add eyelashes. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to outline this white part and do the bottom eyelash. So it looks kind of like that, and there's a few little eyelashes there. Alright, let's work on this eye. And it's pretty much the same technique here. So it looks like that. That's what we have so far. Now I'm going to go on to different pen. Sorry about the shakiness, but I'm holding this camera in my hand. It's actually my iPod. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get a medium tip black so I can actually do the eyelashes. Sorry. So medium tip black. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So just kind of fan the eyelashes out and get them to go longer as you're going down. And do them overlapping. So they'll look like that. And you can do as many eyelashes as you want in any style. I prefer this style, but you can do whichever kind you like. So I'm only doing on half the eyelashes, you can see. Again, sorry for the shadow. So there you go. Next, I'm going to work on the actual eyebrow. And the eyebrow kind of curves, and I'm using the same tip because most of the eye parts are all dark. And it kind of bends right here, so it looks like it has more shape. And then the same thing with this eyebrow. Oh, sorry about that, I just realized that it was kind of low. Okay. And I'm going to fix this eye over here, so they look kind of even. Yeah, the eyes are a little lopsided, but that's okay. Oh. Sorry, I'll pick that up in just a second. Okay. Back to the eyes. I'm going to get, let me see what color this is. A brush tip warm gray. Okay. Let me put that down so I can get cap off. So that's the brush tip. And here I am going to, let me zoom out. Here we just kind of leave an open space at the bottom. So it looks kind of like that. Same thing with this eye. Sorry about my shadow. So it looks like that. And then what you're going to do is we're going to get a different pen. And I'll pick up the camera in a second, but this is kind of difficult. Me being left-handed and all that too, so. Alrighty. Now I'm going to get